Hello everyone. Healthy eating on a budget. Eating healthily on a budget is possible with some planning and smart shopping strategies. Here are some tips to help you achieve this. Plan your meals. Create a weekly meal plan based on what's on sale and in season. This helps you avoid impulse buys and ensures you use up what you buy. Make a shopping list. Stick to your list to avoid buying unnecessary items. Buy in bulk. Items like grains, beans, and frozen vegetables often cost less per unit when purchased in larger quantities. Choose whole foods. Processed and prepackaged foods are often more expensive. Whole foods like fresh fruits, vegetables, and whole grains are not only cheaper but healthier. Cook at home. Preparing meals at home is usually more economical and healthier than eating out. You can also control what goes into your food. Use leftovers wisely. Repurpose leftovers into new meals to avoid waste. For example, roast chicken can become chicken soup or salad. Opt for plant-based proteins. Beans, lentils, and tofu are often cheaper than meat and can be used in a variety of dishes. Shop seasonal produce. Fruits and vegetables that are in season are usually cheaper and more nutritious. Compare prices. Check unit prices, price per ounce or gram, to find the best deals. Generic or store brands are often just as good as name brands and cost less. Grow your own. If possible, grow some of your fruits, vegetables, or herbs. Even a small garden can produce a lot. Minimize food waste. Store food properly, use leftovers, and only buy what you need to avoid wasting money on food that will go bad. Freeze and preserve. Take advantage of sales and bulk buys by freezing or canning surplus food. Would you like specific recipes or meal ideas to help with healthy eating on a budget? Gratitude for observing.